Today we are going to talk about the last topic, which is clock. In this topic, we are going to discuss two things. One, how do we tell what the time is? And second, how do we know what is the angle between the needles of the clock? So let's start. So as you can see on the screen, there is a face of the clock. So let's read this clock. The smaller needle is called the hour hand, which is this one, and the longer needle is called the minute hand, which is this one. So as we can see, the hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is at 12. So what is the time? Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Now when there is a difference of 3 numbers between the hour hand and the minute hand, so as we can see from 12 to 3, it's 1, 2, 3. So there's a difference of 3 numbers. So this angle is 90 degree, which is also called a right angle. So for easier understanding, if you see the shape as a perfect L, that is a right angle. Okay, now let's move on. Now look at this clock. Do you think this is a right angle? Does it look like an L? No, it does not. Because the hour hand is at 1, the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 1 o'clock and the angle is acute angle. So whenever the difference between the hour hand and the minute hand is less than 3, so here we can see it's just a difference of one number. So this will make an acute angle. So an acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. Okay. Now look at another example. So is this an L shape? No, it is not. And please ignore the red line because this is for seconds. Okay, so we are just looking at the black needles. The hour needle is between 1 and 2 and the minute needle is between 5 and 6. If you look at it, it is not a perfect L. So this is definitely not a right angle. And we can also see that the difference between the two needles is more than 3. So if you look, the hour hand is here, and if we count from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have the minute hand. So the difference between the two hands is more than 3. So this is an obtuse angle, and the time is 1 hour 27 minutes. Okay, I hope you get the concept, and I'll see you again in the next chapter. Bye bye, kids.